Play-Doh playset.
Show them what all it comes with.
It comes with 3 molds. 3 molds. 2. What are these?
What do they do?
And this is how they make the shapes.
Oh, cool. It's kind of like a spaghetti maker.
Here, Dad.
Thank you. Gotta open it.
Mom. Can you open this? Can you put this?
Yeah. Do you need help with that, Marshall? Here's the Play-Doh. Did you need help with that?
I need the Play-Doh. Mom.
Oh, look, the lid has something special too, doesn't it? Do you see the lid?
Yeah.
What's that do?
Makes a butterfly.
Oh, it does? Does it feel like regular Play-Doh?
Yeah. Mom, but it's not.
It's not. It's Dollar Tree Play-Doh, right? Do you know how much it cost?
No.
Do you know how much it cost?
No.
How much the stuff cost at the Dollar Tree?
$1.
$1, that's right. That's a pretty good deal for $1, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh.
Do you need help with that?
Yeah.
Here, you want to give it to me? I'll see if I can get it in there.
Here.
Here we go.
Bulldoze.
What's this thing gonna do?
Going to make stuff. Here.
Do you put Play-Doh inside that thing?
Yeah. And I squeeze it.
Oh, man.
Spaghetti. Red spaghetti. We're gonna use this for our noodle surprise tomorrow. Here. Archer, Mom.
Oh, is Jude helping you? He said, here's another one.
Ooh, got it. Got it.
You want to talk to the people? You can tell them what you're doing?
We're gonna make red cheese.
Red cheese.
For rabbits, carrot cheese.
Oh, it's carrot cheese?
There's gonna be a long stick. And
It's kind of like a sausage maker.
yeah, but the way
So you got sausage and noodles now?
It's a triangle. Mom. It's Mom. Let's see.
Play-Doh set. Play-Doh set.
A little bit more Play-Doh. We need some more here. And we can use all these to make even more.
Oh, wow.
Let's see, let's change it. Where's the blue one?
It's by your feet.
Hey, come here. We're gonna make some equal signs today. Oops. Toy for you. We're we're going to make some equal signs.
Some equal signs?
Why
Equal.
don't you turn it this way so everybody?
Yeah,
can
everybody
see
can
what's
see it
coming out of
better. Oh, it's got 2 whole different things to make designs? And each one's got 4, so you can make 8 different designs.
Mom, go for Dad. Mom,
Let's turn it this way so the people can see.
There you go.
Mom, Mom.
What?
This is an equal sign you're making?
Yeah, but it doesn't really come out as an equal sign. It comes out like that.
Oh, really?
Place it.
Play set.
Place that.
This is our humongous equal sign. Take the Play-Doh out. Put one here. And put one here.
Alright. Do you want to roll some out and use your cookie cutters?
Jude, stop.
He's just trying to help. Alright, what are you going to make?
A duck.
Is this going to be like a Play-Doh Christmas cookie?
Take them back to the table.
Let me see.
Like
Show
that.
everybody. Oh man, that made a good duck. What other animals did you get? Are they all animals?
Here. No. Oh, here. There's a car.
Oh really? What's the other one?
I don't know. Whoa. I think that's a walrus. Mom. Mom. What? There. Okay.
Is that the car?
Okay. Yep. Hey, can I have that? Jude, can I have that? Here. Thank you. This car.
That car?
It's meter. And we have another mold. This one.
You gonna? Oh, you're gonna make the butterfly now?
Yeah.
That's an actual mold, right? Not a cookie cutter.
Yeah. Oh, Jude, the cookie cutter's gone. One of the cookie cutters were gone.
You know they had different kinds of these too at the Dollar Tree.
Really?
Yeah, we just got one to try them out. We've never seen them at the Dollar Tree before. Maybe we can go back and get more.
And then we can have 100 videos.
100 videos.
Mom.
Should we get another one and show everybody the difference?
Yeah. Oh, can make a car.
Oh wow.
No, can make a car. Can make a car. Car.
Or what do you do with that one? You just got to stuff it in the lid and then it makes a butterfly?
Yeah, I think. Now we take it out. And we have our own butterfly.
Oh man, that looks good.
Look, our butterfly. And then, let's see. Oh,
Oh, sit down, please.
where's Jude's Play-Doh?
I don't know.
I don't know. We won't use his in this video. We'll just use this Play-Doh. His Play-Doh is kind of dirty. He's been rolling it on the floor.
Let's see.
All right, was this a success?
Yeah.
Should everybody go buy one?
Yeah.
You want to say anything to anybody?
Have a great day. And
Tell them to subscribe and click the like button.
tell us to subscribe and click the like button.
Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Say bye, Jude.